Good morning to a brand new day. Time to learn and games to play. Learning things is so much fun. Learning is good for everyone.
Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our learning space. My name is Miss Laura. Can you tell me your name? I'm so excited that you made it back today. Let's start our day off with a song and my friend Gerald. He's from the book Giraffes Can't Dance. I hope that you check that book out. Are you ready to sing with me? It goes like this. Good morning, it's a sunshine kind of day. Come join Miss Laura for some learning and some play. Will we sing a song? Of course we will. Make our brains strong, like super strong. So come along, yes, come on friends, for some learning and some play. Now Gerald, would you like to know what we're going to do today? Okay, I'm going to put you down and go through our visual schedule. So today we're going to continue singing our feeling song to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. And then we're going to learn about the enormous turnip. We're going to do some story sequencing. Remember we talked about sequencing? You do a sequence every morning when you brush your teeth. And next we're going to sing our goodbye song. And if we don't have time to sing, we'll do a quick wave. Does that sound like a good plan? Okay, let's do our feeling song. Remember the tune. Na 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 na. Here we go. The feelings in my body change all the time, all the time, all the time. The feelings in my body change all the time. How am I feeling now? So let's see. I want you to imagine that you are playing soccer and you've been waiting to hit the ball all day and you've been practicing at home, and then someone comes over and kicks the ball right from underneath you. How do you think you would feel? Yes, angry. I would be angry too. So let's finish off our song. Today I'm feeling super angry, super angry, super angry. Today I'm feeling super angry. I want to stomp and frown. Now, of course, when you're angry, you can calm down by taking belly breaths. And on Friday, we'll learn a mindful minute with Miss McCarthy. That's another tool that we can use to calm down. For right now, we have a fun video that I want to share with you, and it has something to do with this letter. Let's see if you can recognize what this letter is. It's the letter S. S is for song and for sequence. So let's watch our video together with Miss Southern singing a song.
Hi friends, it's me, Miss Southern. Can you say hi, Miss Southern? Wow, well you know what time it is. When you hear that music, it's time to get our bodies going and make our hearts happy. Before we get started, put on your thinking caps, click them on, and type in Let's Move. We're going to be doing some exercises from our book, The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to blow like the wind. So can you move your arms like this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you did that so good. Next, we're gonna fly like a bird. Are you ready? Get your arms out and fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that one more time. Fly like a bird. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, next we're gonna shine like the sun. Get your fingers out like this and shine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Shine like the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? It's springtime, so you're gonna see lots of flowers. So let's pick up the flowers and then give them to a friend. Ready? Pick up the flower, give it to a friend. Good job. Do it again. Pick up a flower, give it to a friend. Pick up a flower, give it to a friend. One more. Pick up a flower and give it to a friend. You are so awesome. Okay, one more. You're gonna see lots of butterflies during this time. So get your butterfly wings out and we're gonna fly 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, put your hands on your heart and listen to your heart. Oh yeah, it's saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, friends, that's all the time we have today. But before we leave, we always do our affirmation. Ready? Repeat after me. Say, I'm brave. I'm smart. No one could tell me different. When you look at me, you see the future. Until next time, friends, bye.
I hope that you enjoyed moving with Miss Southern. Isn't it fun to get up and stretch? Okay, now I'm going to bring you back to our story, The Enormous Turnip, and we're going to sequence our story. Remember, a sequence is something you do over and over again. And I have a song for you, of course, and it goes like this. There was a seed put in the ground. It grew a turnip enormous and round with a yank and a pull. Who will take the turnip out? Let's keep singing to find out. This old man, he got a rope, tried to pull it out, but there was no hope. With a yank and a pull, who will take the turnip out? Let's keep singing to find out. Who is next? The old woman, that's right. He called his wife. She tried too. She couldn't get it out even though there were two. With a yank and a pull, who will take the turnip out? Let's keep singing to find out. Next they called a girl. Ready? They called a girl to help them pry. They still couldn't get it out on their third try. With a yank and a pull, who will get the turnip out? Let's keep singing to find out. Next they called a dog and cat, but the turnip was much too fat. With a yank and a pull, who will get the turnip out? Let's keep singing to find out. Remember the last thing they called? A mouse, that's right. At last they called a little mouse, and they finally got the turnip in the house. With a yank and a pull, they finally got the turnip out. Teamwork is best without a doubt. Now I'm going to bring you to our project place and tell you what we're going to make today to help you remember the sequence. So we're going to make a story sequence activity. You'll need paper plate, paper, scissors, glue, and yarn. And of course, Miss Laura likes to be a little bit fancy, so I'm going to show you what I did to my paper plates. So with your paper plates, you're actually going to cut one in half like this, and you're going to glue it to another just like this. What you're going to create is a little pocket, and you're going to put all the characters in your story inside that pocket. So you're going to have an enormous turnip, and then of course, starting with the old man all the way down. So I'm going to show you how I created the little characters in the story and made the sequence. Now you'll notice that I did it in reverse order so that the mouse was closest to the turnip. That way, as you're saying the story and pulling it out, the turnip and the mouse come out last. Okay, so to make the characters in the story and make a story sequence, first I used a piece of white paper and I cut it into a square. Now a square is a shape that has 4 sides, just like this. See, you'll notice like this. And then I drew a picture. Now you don't have to draw a picture. You can actually take magazine cuttings or you can print some pictures from the internet if you'd like, but I drew mine. I think I'm going to draw a cat. So I'm going to draw a circle and then 2 ears, a nose, and some whiskers, and some eyes. And then I'm going to write the word cat. Now, if you don't know how to write the word cat, that's okay. You can write the beginning sound, which is something we're going to study later on today, or just try your best or have an adult help you. I'm going to color it in like this. My cat is going to be brown. Have you ever seen a brown cat before? I have lots of brown and white cats in my neighborhood. And then we're going to need this fancy tool, which is a hole punch. Now mine is a mini hole punch. You might see other ones. Bring it down and make a hole right there. You see my hole? Next, I'm going to take a piece of yarn and cut it up and tie it in the hole like this. This is going to be our first character that's going to go in our sequence or how things are ordered. Wasn't it funny that nobody can get the turnabout? Can you imagine how large it was? That they needed 5 things to get it out? So next you're going to do that with another character in this story. And in the end, you're going to have this lovely sequence here. So you're going to have the turnip, and you're going to put the mouse in there, and a cat, a dog, the girl, the old woman, and the old man. And you'll see why I put them in this order first. So remember, the first character to try to take out the turnip was the old man. Now, could he take it out? No. So then, who tried next? The old woman. And then the girl, the dog, here comes the cat, and lastly the mouse. Now, did the mouse have any luck? Yes, the mouse pulled out the turnip. So these kinds of tools, boys and girls, are really great to help you remember the story. And if I gave you homework, it would be to try to retell the story to 2 people in your house. Okay? I also wanted to show you, I told you I'd use that torn paper technique. So here's what I did to decorate my paper plate. I used the same technique I did with my pot yesterday. I tore some blue paper, just like this. This is the most fun part. And then I used some glue and put it on. Now what you have to remember is I'm using glue, so it takes a little while to dry. So you won't be able to use your story sequence very quickly with this glue. It just takes a little while longer. Okay, looks like it's almost time to say goodbye. Come back tomorrow. We're going to learn more about the enormous turnip. We're going to learn about beginning sounds, which is the special letter of your first name and the special letter of all the words around us. We're also going to sing more songs and play. So until tomorrow, Miss Laura sends you a big squeeze, a big smooch, and reminds you to read and to play and to use your imagination every single day. And to come back tomorrow, we're going to make a garden with letters. Doesn't that sound like fun, boys and girls? So I hope that you join me and Gerald. We'll make beginning sounds. We're going to do some rhyming and just have a lot of fun. So I hope that you do your homework and retell the story to 2 people. All right, time to say goodbye. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Goodbye.
Good morning to a brand new day. Time to learn and games to play. Learning things is so much fun. Learning is good for